Hello, this is Serge from Skycomp, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit today about the Exchange exploit that Microsoft released details about on Wednesday, March 3rd, 2021. It's important for you to know, if you use Exchange, that this patch absolutely has to be applied to your Exchange environment, and you should talk to your IT people right away. This is the highest severity exploit that can be released by Microsoft. They've released an out-of-band patch, and to give you an idea of just how critical this flaw is, they've also released a patch for Exchange 2010 that they end-of-lifed in October of last year. Normally, once a product's end of life, they never release another patch for it, but this one is so severe and is so exploitable that they've released patches for even end-of-life products. This patch will let a remote bad actor gain full and complete control over your on-premise Exchange environment, with full access to all of the emails, all of the contacts inside of your Exchange database. And then potentially, once they have full control over that Exchange server, they can gain more access into your network, to your file server and other resources you have behind your firewall. This is so important as well, because if you use Exchange, that Exchange server has to be exposed to the internet. So there is very few cases where you would have an Exchange server that doesn't require this patch. And again, to be clear, this patch was released by Microsoft Wednesday, March 3rd, 2021. So it is imperative that you get this patch installed right away. If you're not sure if this applies to you or if you need it, just reach out to your IT professional. Maybe they didn't see the news, maybe they didn't understand or know what was happening. It's a fairly easy patch to install, but it's critical that this gets done in a very timely fashion. There's currently exploits in the wild. Right now, they seem to be targeting large government institutions and large corporations, but that will quickly push down to small business. And again, without any additional credentials, they can fully remote control your Exchange server. So take a couple minutes, talk to your IT professional, see about if you need that, or if you are a potential to have that patch put in, and get that patch put in. If you need any help, feel free to reach out to us at Skycomp. We can give you advice or point you in the right direction. Installing the patch isn't hard. What's critical is you get this patch installed quickly, because it's a very timely piece. So hopefully you found this helpful. Share this with other people that you know that might need this information. The faster this information gets out and we get all Exchange servers patched, the safer we'll all be.